Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper garage. I have tires and rims of this Mini, and that gives me nice opportunity to show you location of the spare tire. This 2006 MiniCooper is lucky because it was equipped with a spare tire. Some other Minis don't have it, and they have so-called mini mobility system. Because the tires are off, it's a nice chance to show you location of that space saving spare tire. It's right here, and this is a really good view of it. Now everybody should make sure there is enough air pressure in their spare tire, right? Mini engineers did a great job to make it as easy as possible. Do you see this little valve right here? It's right there. You can actually check your pressure and add some air if it's needed. You can do it right here without removing the spare tire and then installing it back. And what is the pressure for a spare tire? So we all know it's always listed right here. So if I looked on the compact spur, it says there should be 61 psi. And that's basically another video on this MiniCooper garage for the owners and enthusiasts of this super lovely car. And please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos about MiniCoopers coming your way in the future. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day.